Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my video. Today we are going to do this makeup look. It's going to be a little bit of a rewind, but on one half of my face I have a TikTok makeup hack, and the other half of my face I have my normal routine. Can you guys tell which one is which? This hack is supposed to help make your makeup last a little longer, so we'll see what happens. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a TikTok makeup hack that I had found through TikTok. It is going viral and I really wanted to see how it would hold up with my cream makeup, because this whole hack is to make your makeup last longer and not have any creasing. So I'm gonna do one side of my face as my normal routine, and then I'm gonna do the other side with this TikTok hack. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I zoomed this in just a little bit and I already have moisturizer on my face, which is the first step for both of them. So my left side I'm going to do my normal routine and my right side is going to be the TikTok. So the TikTok one says that you do moisturizer and then you set with powder, so just a little light layer. This is so weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Photo Focus Wet n Wild translucent powder, and we're just going to, I guess, just dab a little bit of powder all over the face, and just a light layer of it's supposed to help keep your foundation on longer. So we'll go ahead and just do a little layer. I have just barely anything in this lid and I'm just dabbing it in here. Okay, so now my right side has setting powder. Now the next step for this TikTok hack is to use setting spray over the powder. This is so weird to me, but the only setting spray that I have my favorite, this Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. So we will use this guy. I've talked about it before. And I guess we'll just spray half the face. Okay, we'll let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put primer on my left side and get that side started. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Okay, so now that our primer is on, I'm also going to put primer on the other side. So we had moisturizer, setting powder, setting spray, and now primer. So I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm going to go ahead and just spray this, I guess. Okay, so my primer is mixed up each day. I could have like a silicone one or my Poreless Putty Primer. But it's kind of hard to spread that around when you have the powder and stuff on it. I don't know. So we're gonna wait for this to dry. So as my TikTok side is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my color corrector on my left side and just kind of go through my normal routine on my left side and how I would usually do it. I'm gonna apply my contour to color correct my redness. Okay, so I just color corrected my left side and this right TikTok side is about dry. So now we just go through our normal routine and I'm gonna apply my color corrector, my foundation, my highlight, and just kind of finish the whole face for both sides, and we'll see how it goes. I have setting powder, setting spray, and primer already on this side. And we're kind of already ahead of the game on my left side, so we'll see which lasts longer. So let's go ahead and finish this makeup because I actually have to go to work today, and let's just keep going. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlight, which is my foundation color, all over the face. I'm using White Peach on both sides. Okay, one thing I am noticing, I look so one-dimensional, is it's kind of a little tougher to apply. It's like there's more grip on this side, probably because I just use a spray, but you can already tell around my nose that it's separating more on the TikTok side than it is on my regular makeup side, on my left side. Okay, and I apply just as much product on both sides. I don't change anything when I'm applying my regular makeup. So let's go ahead and move on. Let's go back to contour and contour the cheeks a little bit. I'm using Ash Contour. Alright, so now the next step is I'm going to blend everything together, just like always, and press all the makeup into the skin and kind of get all the excess product out and erase any lines or maybe creases before we set with powder. And keep in mind, I have oily skin. By the middle of the day, I'm going to use the same powder as before, the Wet n Wild one. And we're just going to set the face. Alright, powder is on. Let's see what the face is looking like now. I think the face, it just looks like there's more product, but there is more product. It's so weird to me to put a powder and then liquid and more liquid and then cream and then powder. It's so weird, but maybe it will last. It doesn't look really bad on my skin. Nothing's really happening to it. Yeah, it's just around my nose, which is normal. I'm not too picky about it, but just right in here. So now we're gonna go ahead and use our bronzer. If you haven't seen one of my videos where I tried out this Essence Matte bronzer, I was using this Farrah brush and I decided to switch to a Real Technique brush and I love it. And so we're just gonna go ahead and bronze the face. It's crazy how a different brush can make your makeup go on differently. Okay, bronzer's on. Let's move on to illuminator, and I'm gonna use my BBF brush from Maskcara Beauty, and we're just gonna go ahead and dip into this guy, my favorite illuminator. It's Starlit, and it just gives this really pretty subtle line. Then we're gonna flip it over and use the other side of this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Pup and place this all over my eyes. Now we're going to finish off with the brows with the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. I have used this many times. It is one of my favorites. It has a spoolie on one end and a flat pencil on the other with the twisty little thing. So we're going to go ahead and apply brows really quick. Okay, makeup is done. Bronzer, I got brows and mascara on, and so this is the final look. So this is the regular, we'll zoom you guys in. This is the regular side that I do all the time every day, and then this is the TikTok side. I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference. I really can't see a difference. I just kind of feel there is more makeup. Maybe there's more coverage. I don't really know. It looks the same. It feels the same, but I'm just worried about this area right here is gonna be the cakiest. That's where I get super oily. Luckily, it's not a super hot day. I probably should try this maybe in like middle of summer to see how well it really does, but I sweat really bad right here and my forehead gets shiny and underneath my lips will get sweaty. So I'm curious to see how that will happen. It's only supposed to be like 70 degrees today, so it's not too bad. So if you haven't been on TikTok yet, it's kind of like almost like a search engine with some comedy and music. I have found some of the funniest videos on TikTok. I don't have any videos myself yet. I guess we'll just kind of see how that goes. But this is the one that I am following, the makeup hack She is a original user who created this technique, and she said to use your moisturizer, setting powder, setting spray, then primer, and then your foundation, which is what we did on my right side, and then my regular routine on my left side. So I'll try and check in by the end of the day. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe down below so you can see more TikTok videos that I have coming for you and more makeup videos, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next